guys, this is JumOnline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look on this new iPega PG9023 controller. So this one is really different compared to other iPega controllers because you can fit a tablet on this controller. So this one is available at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation at Lazada for 979 pesos. So if you want this one, meron tayong voucher sa baba so you can get a discount, and also the link dun sa iPega controller nito. So if you are interested, do check that out. And of course, let's unbox this one while we talk about the specifications. So the iPega 9023 comes with a Bluetooth transmission distance of 8 meters or less. So, medyo malayo na yon. If you're in the living room, I think malayo pa rin yon. If you're on TV, malayo na yon. I'm pretty sure pag nasa smartphone, nakadikit lang naman sa inyo ito because it's an extended controller and you can fit up to 10-inch na device dito. It means that you can fit an iPad on this one. So, this one has a battery capacity of 380 milliamperes, a standby time up to 30 days, and of course, a Bluetooth version 3.0, which is really essential sa input lag. Kasi minsan, pag mas mababa than 3, the lag of the Bluetooth is really noticeable. Sobrang noticeable na. You can use this one on your iOS, on your Android, or even on your PC. So, it's up to you as long as Bluetooth lang siya. And of course, the charging time will take you about 2 hours and the working time is about 20 hours, which is pretty long and pretty good. So, you can see here, this is the controller. So, kita nyo naman yung kanyang controller design. It's really different compared dun sa other controllers. Of course, inside, we got here the micro USB cable to USB. So, open this one to show you. Yeah, so you have here the micro USB to USB port. It's not USB Type-C, but that's expected on an iPega controller. Most iPega controllers are still utilizing micro USB and not USB Type-C. I don't know if there's an iPega controller that's already utilizing the USB Type-C. I'm going to place this back. So we also got here the game controller manual, as you can see, and as expected, we have here the English language. On the other side is Chinese. And to pair this Bluetooth controller to your smartphone, you only need to press the home button, which is so in order to pair this one, you actually have to press the home button here, and also yung kanya X button over here. So wala nang magiging problema. Home button and X button. So hold nyo lang yung dalawa and then automatically mag-blink yung search button. If you want on mouse mode, you can actually just hold home plus Y, so wala na kayong magiging problema. So automatically pag na-connect siya, mouse mode na siya. And today, na-connect na natin yung smartphone natin dito. And what I like about this one, but before we talk about the build quality of this one, is the design is really flexible for all users, for all devices. And then we have here the multimedia buttons. I think this is the volume down, volume up, previews, next, then the play button. Really useful if you're into music or you're listening to music. You have here the analog, which is hindi naman ako-control yung smartphone. Yan. And then of course, the select, the home, the start, the D-pad buttons over here, and also the analog, L1, L2, R1, R2 is just R2, L2. Ganun lang siya. And to fit this one is actually, yan. So meron siyang parang sound na ganun. And if you want to lock it, just slide this one, papunta dito, then yun siya mag-slide. So you need to fit in your, sabihin natin ito, smartphone ko, the Huawei, fit it like this, then, okay, yan, nakalock na siya. Basically, hindi siya magana. Ito na lang, which is bumabalik siya. So wala namang problema, hindi siya magana, unless nagre-rage mode ka palagi. Well, if rage gamer ka, nangyayari. Anyway, this is the Huawei P20 Pro, and we're gonna try out again the similar games that we have tried out before. Again, this one is the mapping na ng buttons. This is Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories, and wala tayong magiging problema when it comes to mapping. And so far, I really like yung elevation ng analog to the controller. Really useful and really responsive. Yan. So we also got here the L1, R1, L2, R2. So sobrang responsive niya so far sa mga lahat. No? Yan. So this one is volume up, this one's volume down. If you want to play music, just press this one. Ayan, so guys, it's supported actually. So be sure lang na naka-input mode yung iPega controller on the smartphone itself. But so far, I really like the feel of this one. Wait, nagano lang, siguro. So far, I really like the feel on this one. The analog, the elevation of the analog to the controller is really good. We have the D-pad buttons that works. Though medyo maano yung kanyang malalim siya ng konti. But I mean, I'm fine with it. The buttons are actually pretty concave and medyo mataas din siya and medyo mataba. But once you get used to it, there will be no problems with it. And then of course, you have here the buttons. That the shoulder buttons is actually feels different compared to other shoulder buttons kasi medyo palubog siya ng konti then pataas. Unlike other controllers that are like concave, this one is parang naka-convex siya. You may get used to it for a while, pero parang a few hours after using it, I'm pretty sure that you will be okay with it. So what I like about this one is, aside dun sa kanyang media buttons that you can control your volume and music over here, the controller or the iPega controller is actually flexible. You can use your tablet if you have a tablet or an iPad. You could use your smartphone if you want. So if you change your smartphone, there will be no problems. Malaki mga niya no maliit as long as less than 10 inches siya kasi mag-fit talaga siya dito. It's really flexible, and if you have a lot of devices and you're always using your controller, this one is the best controller for you. So again, this one is available at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation at Lazada. And if you are interested, we have the link below along with the voucher. So the voucher will give you a discount code to this controller. Okay, so meron pa other products. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our unboxing and hands-on of the iPega PG9023. 9023. I don't know if they have a lot of iPega controllers. Bye.